Today, you guys, is the video I promise you I have been waiting to say for the past 7 years. Hey besties, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Cheraye, welcome. If you happen to be returning, I love you like I love cooked food, and welcome back, besties. I believe I've been on YouTube for 7 years, something like that, and oh my gosh, this is seriously a pinch me aha moment. For me, it is. When you receive PR from Chanel, hello? Oh my gosh. This is like seriously for me a dream come true. If you want to hear all about the new Eau Splendide, continue to watch. You guys, I cannot even contain myself, okay? Can I have a moment, please? If you are a Chanel lover and you have been here on the channel forever since I started, when I took the trip to 31 Rue Caban in Paris to go to the flagship store for Chanel, girl, don't cry, girl, don't cry. You know how much this means to me and how oh, I can't even talk. Oh my God, I am screaming right now. And I'm trying not to bust y'all eardrums out, but I am so super excited. But if you have been here for that long, or even if you haven't and you are just a Chanel lover, put a red heart right now in the comment section so I know I am amongst friends and family. So on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, hello, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous. If that sounds like your vibe or your just, go ahead and take 2.5 seconds and drop me your scent of the day. I want to know what fragrance you're rocking today. Also consider hitting the subscribe button. Oh my gosh, so you guys, yes, I got this in the mail. I first got an email. Quick 2.5, okay? Can I have that, please? This is a moment I have seriously all my life since I started this, I've been waiting for. Just girl, all your whole life, period. So I got an email and it said it was from Coco Chanel, whatever, blah, 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 right? And I'm like, okay, this is like scam because we get scam emails all the time. And I'm like, this is not real, this is not real, this is not real. So I'm there, I'm opening it, I'm doing all the research, I'm going here, checking it, there, checking it, here, checking it, there, checking it. And I was like, it just kind of looks legit. And I'm like, girl, it could be. It could be. And so all of a sudden, I just kept doing my homework and I was like, okay, God, either it is or it isn't. You know, we just gonna go with it at this point. So I took the necessary steps. And then I received this on my doorstep and I was like, oh my gosh. So yes, this is a new fragrance. A huge shout out to the team over at Chanel. Thank you so much for sending this over. You have truly made this girl's day. I already told you about the new fragrance. I went into the store. They didn't have the bottle out. I just had the little blotter card and I was spraying it on that. I didn't even have a chance to spray it on my skin. But since then, I have the full bottle now. Hello, the full bottle. Oh my gosh. And I was playing with it at Sephora as well. So I have had my nose on it. I was actually in store to purchase it and I was like, okay, wait a minute, I don't know if this email is right, so I'm gonna see if it is, and it was. So here we are. Oh my gosh, you guys, this video is about to be all over the place because I'm excited and that's what I do when I get excited. This is not how it came wrapped. It came wrapped so beautifully, but I cannot wait for y'all. Y'all know I love you like cooked food, but I knew you would have wanted me to not torture myself waiting. You would have wanted me to open it, right? Right, okay, so I did. So I opened it up. It came with this beautiful card here. Love the color. This is actually the color of the juice in the bottle as well. It's like almost a pinkish, purplish, vibrant, like beautiful color, and I absolutely love it. So it came with this note inside, and inside it just says, Cheraye, we have been waiting our entire lives to work with you. Oh my God, thank you. No, I'm kidding. No, it really didn't say that. But it does say a new chance awaits you, and here it is. There have some activations inside of it as well, where it did come with this cute little, you guys, I'm gonna be trying to put it on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. It came with this cute little bag here, and inside of this bag here are dice. And what you do in life sometimes is you have to roll the dice and take a chance. Get it? Take a chance. Hello, dwelling. And I thought these were like, I don't know what I thought these were. I was like, oh my gosh, are they? I thought they were like sweet tart candies, but I don't think they are. I think they are just dice, and the activation inside tells you what to do. So one of them, you can roll the dice, see what number you get. I'll probably put that on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. The packaging is cute. This is Chanel we're talking about. It is luxury at its finest, darling. Yes, I'm biased. I said I am a Chanel lover through and through. So like I said, you guys, I have already really spoke about the bottle, spoke about the fragrance, and told you about it, and now I can run it back and tell you that this fragrance lasts. Let's start there, okay? It does last. I put it on in Sephora and sprayed down in it extremely heavy, and I had it on for a good 6-7 hours, and I was still able to smell it. As I stated in the original first impression video that I did. It's a beautiful fragrance. It's very feminine, it's very girly, it's kind of sultry, it's sexy, it's flirty. I do get a daytime vibe from it. That's where you're gonna, you know, that's where I would compartmentalize it and put it at. Definitely a daytime vibe. It's very versatile. You can wear it from brunch, you can wear it to an afternoon dinner, a play, you can wear it shopping, you can wear it with friends, you can wear it with your boo, your bae, your guy, because like I said, it's kind of sultry, it's kind of flirty. I was already playing with it. You see how it came out, right? Oh, I absolutely love it. It's bright, it's vibrant, it's effervescent. It gives you that same kind of foo-foo la-la vibe. Hello, look at the color here. It's definitely giving feminine, girly vibes. It's very, what would you say? It's youthful, it's playful. It definitely has a Chanel DNA. I believe, if I'm not making this up, which I hope I'm not, but I don't think I am, this one is the only Chance fragrance that does not have the jasmine note inside of it, as the others do. The prominent note in this fragrance is raspberry. It's a very juicy raspberry. It has rose, violet, peach, iris, it has white musk, and it also has cedar in it down in the base. It is beautiful. I believe that's why it didn't give me a problem at all with longevity. Like I said, I got about 6-7 hours from it. This is something that you can definitely spray this spring, this summer. Well, spring is ending, summer is here, and you'll be able to just have a good time with it. It's like an easy reach. You won't have to think too much. It's no hassle, it's no fuss. It's not heavy, although you will know it's a Chanel fragrance. If you're a Chanel fragrance lover and you know their fragrances, you will definitely know that this is a part of the Chanel DNA Chance collection, or just a part of Chanel's fragrances in general. The fragrance and the perfumer behind this is Olivier Polge. He has done a lot of fragrances for Chanel, so definitely his DNA is on this as well. And I just believe it's a beautiful fragrance. Like I said, I don't think it's groundbreaking, earth-shattering, anything like that. Not to say that it needs to be, but it's definitely giving a fresher take on the Chanel Chance collection. We know Eau Fresh, which is the green one. It's a little bit woody. It has the citrus notes in the beginning, and then Eau Vive is the citrus, grapefruit as well. This was my favorite fragrance. This is one is a little bit deeper than the Eau Toilette. This one has a little bit more, to me, of a musky vibe to it. It has grapefruit, rose, jasmine. It's a feminine, girly, soft fragrance as well. I'm definitely reaching for Eau Splendide now, because this is the new one, and I really, really love the color of the juice. These are the different sizes as well. I believe there might be a size in the middle, or these might be the two. Everything will be linked in the description box for you below. I am so happy right now. To say that I'm on cloud 9 would be an understatement, okay? I am on cloud, like wherever the clouds can take you to, that's where I am. If you wanted to gift someone something, this would totally be an amazing gift. It is Chanel. It screams luxury, class, sophistication, but at the same time, like I said, for this particular fragrance here, it is a bit youthful in my opinion. It is playful. It is a chic fragrance with a modern vibe, so you do not get old or stuffy or anything like that. I even feel that you get a little sensual, a little flirtatious, a little flirty vibe with it. It's fruity, it's sweet. It's in my sweet girl era, my sweet girl vibe, exactly where I'm at with my fragrance style right now, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, on me, and fragrances are so subjective, so make sure you try it out for yourself. I believe you can find this in Sephora. I found it there and seen it there. It's also on the Chanel boutique online, and then it's also in the Chanel boutiques in the store. If you happen to go to, I believe, Bloomingdale, Macy's carries it. I'll link a few different places that carry it. If you haven't got a chance to try it out, that would be a great place to even pop in store and try before you buy. You know, I'm a huge fan of try before you buy. Whether they sent it to me or not, I'm a Chanel lover. I was gonna buy it anyway, but I am so happy they sent it to me, you guys. This is gonna be like a forever in my collection. Even when the bottle is empty, I'm keeping it. Chanel PR does not happen every day, and I am so excited to have received it. I love how they're taking the fragrance and they're putting something with it, and what they're putting with this particular fragrance is a chance, and it's like a play on words. The whole concept of this are the dice. So you roll these dice and you take a chance, and I took a chance and I bet on myself, and I'm here to tell you, girl, guys, she's winning. I love a playful twist, a playful vibe, and I love that this is coming out. To me, it's giving more of a modern, youthful, approachable flair to Chanel. You know, where maybe some people may have felt like, oh my God, it's kind of stuffy, or granted, dare I say this, it's kind of old. This doesn't give you that at all. It just makes it versatile, and it makes it a little bit approachable for everyone, meaning the scent profile. To me, I would find this one to be more crowd pleasing, mass appealing. I feel people in their 20s would would be able to rock this. People in their 60s would be able to rock this. It's just gonna determine you, your vibe, what you want from your fragrance. And right now, with it being so hot, something like this is gonna be so refreshing. And if you like layering, this is gonna go good with Delina. It's gonna go good with Delina La Rose. It's just gonna like take the fragrance and the fruity note and up the antic a little bit with, what is it, raspberry, floral notes being so prominent right now. Like juicier type of textures of fragrance is what's coming alive right now for me. And raspberry definitely plays a huge role in that. And with them putting this raspberry spin on it, although it does have the iris, which really is good in here as well, but to me, the star of the show is definitely the raspberry note. It's so juicy, it's so playful, it's so vibrant, it just makes you feel good. It's like a mood lifter as well. I know you guys know I could go on and on and on about Chanel, their fragrances, and how they make me feel. I am fighting back tears right now. You may never understand my excitement. That's okay, you don't have to. I understand it, I get it, and I could not be happier. Again, you guys, all of the information will be linked in the description box for you below. Thank you so much to the team over at Chanel, and we love Coco for sending this over. I truly appreciate you. I'm gonna hold this the whole time. Y'all know I would normally have put the bottle down by now, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hold this the whole time. Oh my God, I'm screaming. Until next time, beautiful besties, I will see you in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, and then it came with this cute keychain. Oh my God, do you see this? Look at this keychain. What does it say on here? Chance Chanel. It says Chance Chanel. So you definitely know that I will be putting this on my keychain. Hello? Who am I kidding? I'm probably about to make me a bracelet out of this. I'm about to put this on my bracelet as well. Oh my God, I'm like a kid in the candy store right now. I am so excited. All right, you guys, I'm really out now. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.